All right, good afternoon, Wildcats. Okay, a couple of things before we get started. Number one, we're gonna do things slightly different today. We are not going to hand you an award today. When your name is called, you will come up here, we will take your picture, but you will not walk away with a certificate. Okay? Give me a thumbs up if you understand. All right, so it's gonna be just a little bit different this time. All right, this is our monthly assembly to recognize students from the month of January. Our first awards today are our Kiwanis Terrific Kid Awards. Those are our character trait awards, and in the past couple months, teachers have been looking for students who exhibit the trait of self-control. These awards are given to two students from each class, chosen by their classroom teacher. And we have some Kiwanis friends here to help present, to recognize you guys. You guys can get them if you have them. We don't have, or I can pass them out later. Might be easier. I'll just pass them out later, okay? But when we call your name, you're gonna come up here and then you're gonna get your picture taken, okay? Now remember, this is for self-control. So can someone raise their hand and tell me, what does it mean if you are showing self-control? If you are showing self-control. Lulu, what does self-control mean? What was that? Lulu said, don't touch other people. Give Lulu a thumbs up if you agree that that's showing self-control. Great job. What else shows self-control? What else shows self-control? Jonah? Not speaking over the teacher. Give Jonah a thumbs up if that shows self-control. Good job, Jonah. So the people that these teachers nominated have been working really hard at showing good self-control. All right, I'm going to, did we do each grade? No, we did second grade and first grade and kindergarten. Okay, so I'm gonna start with second graders. All right, when you hear your name, come up to the front, okay? Adelaida Smith, Lorelei Ray, Alea Medrano, Kalia Stewart, Xander Anderson, Avery Fordyce, Mary McCracken, Kamara Hallman, Eloise Krause, Bentley Baxter, Brinley Schooler, Ellie Hutzel, Van Bollinger, Aubrey McGee. Those are our second graders. We can give them a little round of applause. All right. Now first graders, listen for your name. Jameson Beebe, Abby Ponce, Delilah Steinberger, Damon Livengood, Jaden Burgess, Emmy Coltrane, Isabel Day, Haley Parrish, Oakley Long, Juliana Peters, Desmond Sewell, Mila Jones, Everly Frazier, and King Fortmeyer. We are not hollering. Remember, we're working on that. We can clap without using our voice. Okay, and kindergartners. I need Liam Gailey, Easton Adams, Jacob Colin, Tatum Opat, Kaylee Miller, Annalyn Walters, Liliana Hamilton, Harper Riley, Hudson Toya, Carter Borgman, Skylar Melendrez, Layla Perez, Scarlett Tabora, and Lucy Harper. Alrighty. Next, I'm going to invite our specials teachers up to tell us a little bit about their awards they're presenting and announce the recipients of their awards. Most of these awards are presented to a class, so teachers, if your class has been selected, please make sure you're just choosing one student to come up and accept the award.
Okay, I have one student from each grade who has been doing an amazing job in music class. In kindergarten, we have Carson Lucero. First grade, Harley Jackson. Second grade, Cortez Gonzalez. Congratulations.
All right, so for the counseling award, I'm always looking for classes that are following the rules, being respectful, and showing the best we can with Wildcats. It's not just in the classroom, but also in the cafeteria or anywhere you go in school. So for kindergarten, a couple weeks ago, this class did a great job of being kind to each other. Mrs. Herrick's class. Good job. For For first grade, I know she's not here today, but Mrs. Mitchell's class. We have students away from Mrs. Mitchell's class. And for second grade, Mrs. Hastings' class. Great job. And the Wildcats, our word for this month is cooperation.
The library award for January is a class that received a compliment. Every single time their teacher came to pick them up, I got to give them a compliment for how great they did, and that goes to Mrs. Hastings' second grade class.
Okay, I'll be announcing the PE Sportsmanship Award winners for the month of January. The kindergarten class winner is Miss Blondell's class. The first grade class winner is Miss Maxwell's class. And the second grade class winner is Miss Hastings' class.
Congratulations to Mrs. Jackson's, Mrs. Brown's, and Mrs. Gerke's classes for amazing creativity and art.
Thank you to all of our classes who have been working so hard in specials. The next group of students that we would like to recognize are our mathematicians of the month. This award is given to one student per class, chosen by their teacher, who has done an outstanding job in math over the last month. Whether in class participation, assignments, or practice, they have gone above and beyond what is expected to achieve more in math. When you hear your name, please come up here to the front. You're going to stand on the steps and we're going to take your picture. Starting with our second graders, I have Reagan Carver, Caden Riley, Ricky Gutierrez, Phil McCoffey, Charlie Bug, Connor Crawford, Marin Gilbert. Good job, second grade. All right, first grade. I'll wait, I have a couple people talking. I need Jaylee Schlatzauer, Owen Scott, Jericho Albert, Harper Zuniga, Brigham Fordyce, Scarlett Cave, and Nora Lakey. Good job, first grade. Alec Venegas Valley, Evelyn McCorkindale, Cameron Byler, Cohen Crawford, Jake Hester, and Kayla Schleem. And Isaac Crook. The next awards that we're going to present are to the Wildcats of the Month, which is an award given to 2 students in each grade level. So 2 for kindergarten, 2 for first grade, and 2 for second grade. So the Wildcats of the Month are students that are strong role models for their peers, a caring classmate, and an excited learner. And they all around demonstrate what it means to be a Wildcat. In addition to their certificates that they'll get later, the Wildcats of the Month get to have a special lunch with me and Mr. Hall someday soon. And at the end of lunch, you get a special ice cream treat. So if you hear your name called, please come up and get your reward. You're going to stay up, or please stand up here and stand for a picture. So, Kyler Menino, Nova Burkhart, Piper Wren, and Naomi Braxton. Good job, Wildcats of the Month. All right, our last award just goes to one person. Hey. Thank you for trying to set a good example. Good job, we're almost done. Our last award is an individual award, and it is called the Service Above Self Award. This award is sponsored by the Harrisonville Rotary Club, and this award goes to one second grader who gives back in some way. So our Service Above Self Award winner is Nora Bowman. Okay, couple of things before we start spinning for some prizes. Remember, we have been looking in the lunchroom for classrooms that are doing an outstanding job. That means sitting quietly, listening to the adults, staying in our seats, throwing our trash away. Okay, and so as you have followed directions, Miss Lori and Miss Kendra and Mr. Graber have been picking classes to put up on the board. Okay, so the more times your names are on the board, your class's name is on the board, the better chance you have of getting picked. Okay, so our first name that we're going to look for is in section A5. A5. Oh, Miss Gerke's class. You want to send us the kiddo to spin? Okay, the next class, listen, we're going to call them all up and then we'll spin. The next group is, or the next class is at F4. Oh, Miss Maxwell's class. The last one is B9. B9. Miss Caldwell's class. Popcorn party. Miss Gerke's class won a popcorn party. A dance party. Miss Maxwell's class earned a dance party. And Miss Caldwell's class got candy treats. All right. Thank you so much. We were able to get through that assembly pretty quickly today. I want you to listen to your teachers so that you know when it is your turn to exit the cafeteria. Thank you.